Welcome back to AI Industries, where we explore the fascinating intersections of technology and the world around us. Today, we delve into the chilling world of unsolved mysteries and how artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool in solving cold cases. Cold cases are criminal investigations that remain unsolved for years, sometimes even decades. These cases often lack the necessary evidence or leads to bring the perpetrators to justice. But with advancements in AI, there's a new hope for these long-forgotten mysteries. Artificial intelligence can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, making connections and identifying patterns that human investigators might miss. From facial recognition to DNA analysis, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach cold cases. One of the most significant breakthroughs is facial recognition technology. By scanning old photographs and comparing them with modern databases, AI can identify suspects who have evaded capture for years. This technology has already led to the arrest of several fugitives. DNA analysis has also seen remarkable advancements. AI can now analyze genetic material with unprecedented accuracy, even from degraded samples. Combined with genetic genealogy, investigators can trace family trees and identify suspects through their relatives. One of the most famous cases solved with the help of AI and genetic genealogy is that of the Golden State Killer. After decades of eluding capture, Joseph James D'Angelo was identified and arrested in 2018, thanks to the tireless work of investigators and the power of AI. While AI offers incredible potential, it also raises ethical questions and challenges. Privacy concerns, the potential for false positives, and the need for human oversight are all critical issues that must be addressed as we move forward. The future of AI in criminal investigations is bright. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools to aid in solving cold cases. The collaboration between human investigators and AI promises to bring justice to victims and their families. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI and unsolved mysteries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AI Industries for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned.